Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new payment method on the Sam's Club app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a new payment method on the Sam's Club app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Payment Methods. Once you click on Payment Methods, you can scroll down even further and then click on Add New Payment Method. So on this page here, this is where you can enter your American Express card, gift card, Discover card, Visa card, or debit card. Click on Save Card after you enter the card number, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new payment method on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.